Hey everyone, welcome back. If the Walmart app keeps on logging you out automatically, start by checking your internet connection. Unstable networks can interrupt the login. Then, go ahead and head over to your app store, search for Walmart, and make sure that your app is updated to the latest version available in your app store. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so always update it. Then head over to your settings, search for General, go to Date and Time, and check your device date and time settings and set them to update automatically. Incorrect settings can cause login issues. Then disable any battery saver or power optimization settings for Walmart app, as these can force the app to close in the background. Then log out completely, then back in and enable the Remember Me option if available. If the problem continues, uninstall and reinstall the app to refresh the login session, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick